How to fix export not working on NanoBanana.AI. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process on how we can fix the export not working in NanoBanana.AI. So stay tuned. So first of all, on your phone, open the preferred web browser and go to NanoBanana.ai website and make sure you are logged into your account before trying to export. So that's the overall process of how you get into the NanoBanana.ai. So overall, your NanoBanana.ai should look like this. So this is the original website of the NanoBanana.ai, and here's a few steps that you have to do in order to get the result that you want, and I have already did that. If you are confused about how you are going to give the prompt and how you are going to get the output, you can see my previous videos too. So let's get back to the topic again. So once you have generated or edited an image, it will appear here in the output gallery like this. Normally, you can tap on the image and here you can find an option called download image or the export option. But the export might not work sometimes. Here, if I tap on it, it will start downloading it. So I'll be explaining you what can be done in order to export it or fix the export error. The first thing that we can do is refresh the image. Sometimes the tool needs to be reloaded before the export option works properly. Second, try using a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, as some browser may cause the glitches with the website. Third, clear your browser cache and cookies. This often fixes loading or the export issues. Fourth, make sure you have the stable internet connection. If your connection is weak, the export might fail too. If none of this works, you can always take the screenshot of the output as a temporary solution or check back later, since the issue might be from the server side of NanoBanana.ai. So that's how you can troubleshoot and fix the export not working problem on the NanoBanana.ai. So I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.